joule in their 1 calorie, 2.2, 3.2, 4.2, 5.2. The correct answer is C, 4.2. The valency of phosphorus is 1 and 2, 2 and 3, 3 and 5, 1 and 3. The correct answer is C, 3 and 5. In hypermetropia, person cannot see near object, far object, thin object, thick object. Correct answer is A, near object. Which of the following is metalloid? Mercury, silicon, gold, magnesium. Answer is B, silicon. Which is the longest cell in human body? Muscle cell, bone cell, nerve cell, none of the above. The correct answer is C, nerve cell. Potato tuber gives rise to a new plant in the soil. What type of asexual reproduction is it? Sporulation, vegetative propagation, fragmentation, budding. The correct answer is B, vegetative propagation. Specific heat capacity of iron is 380 joule per kg degree Celsius, 390, 470, 670 joule per kg degree Celsius. Correct answer is C, 470 joule per kg degree Celsius. Which cell of the human blood does HIV affect? WBC, platelets, RBC, all of these. The correct answer is A, WBC. The division of fern is Thallophyta, Pteridophyta, Bryophyta, Protista. Correct answer is B, Pteridophyta. Which of the following is liquid? Aluminum, calcium, iron, mercury. Correct answer is D, mercury. What is the formula of slaked lime? NaOH, CaO, CaOH2, MgOH2. Correct answer is C, CaOH2. The estimated age of the earth is 5.4 billion year, 4.5 billion year, 5 billion year, 5.5 billion year. Correct answer is B, 4.5 billion year. Voluntary muscles are found in heart, liver, kidney, foot. The correct answer is D, foot. By which method heat is transmitted in water? Evaporation, radiation, conduction, convection. The correct answer is C, conduction. Which era is called era of craters? Archean and Proterozoic area, Mesozoic, Paleozoic, Cenozoic. Correct answer is B, Mesozoic era. Reflex action is controlled by brain, autonomic nervous system, spinal cord, peripheral nervous system. Correct answer is C, spinal cord. Insulin is produced by liver, pancreas, gallbladder, duodenum. Correct answer is B, pancreas. What should be pH value to be strong acid? Less than 4, more than 4, less than 2, more than 2. The correct answer is less than 4. In the periodic table, all non-metals are placed in S block, P block, D block, F block. The correct answer is B, P block. Metals is extracted from argentite ore, FeAlAgCu. The correct answer is C, Ag. Earthworms are friends of farmers because they eat bacteria, they increase the fertility of soil, they produce humus. None of these. Answer is B, they increase the fertility of soil. Cement is made of limestone plus clay, limestone plus coal, limestone plus water, limestone plus glass. The correct answer is A, limestone plus clay. Chromosomes are made of protein and nucleic acid, RNA and DNA, RNA, DNA. The correct answer is A, protein and nucleic acids. Upthrust exerted by liquid depends on depth of liquid, density of liquid, volume of liquid, all these. Correct answer is B, density of liquid. How many group of galaxy is classified by size? 3, 4, 5, 2. The correct answer is A3. The site of photosynthesis in the cells of a leaf is chloroplast, mitochondria, cytoplasm, protoplasm. The correct answer is A, chloroplast. In Amphibia, food is digested in the food vacuole, mitochondria, pseudopodia, chloroplast. The correct answer is A, food vacuole. Tomato is a natural source of which acid? Acetic acid, citric acid, tartaric acid, oxalic acid. The correct answer is D, oxalic acid. Force acting on per unit area is called non-contact forces, contact forces, force, pressure. The correct answer is D, pressure. The process of the division of cell into several cells during reproduction in Plasmodium is termed as fragmentation, burning, multiple fission, binary fission. The correct answer is D, binary fission. आज चाहिँ मैले यति नै साइन्सको क्वेशनहरु लिएर आएको छु। नेक्स्ट टाइम अझै बढी लिएर आउने छु। यदि तपाईलाई केही हेल्पफुल लाग्छ भने प्लिज मेरो च्यानललाई सब्स्क्राइब गरिदिनु होला। त्यसैगरी यो भिडियोलाई लाइक गर्न नभुल्नु होला। धन्यवाद।